Hello, welcome to another session on functions. In this particular session, we are going to discuss about composition of a function with a suitable identity function. Suitable identity function, the word suitable is being used because the identity function should be capable of taking the input or output of the said function. Let us try to understand it first. We are considering a function f. F is a function from a to b. Let us say this is the set a and this is the set b, and f is taking input from the set a and throwing the output at set b. Let us say here it is, say we are taking numbers, say here it is 1. If 1 is there, it is throwing out in output as say 7 or like that. So if we call it as x, so the output is being called as fx. So what f is doing? F is doing this one. What f is doing? F is taking x as input and throwing away fx as output. This is the activity of x, of f. Now we are considering another function, which is a identity function. We are considering another function, which is the identity function, and I have given the name as IA. IA, why IA? Because IA is a function from set A to set A. That is, we may call it IA is a function on set A. That is both input and output, that is both domain and range are the set A. So IA, what it does? It is an identity function. But I am saying that let IA is an identity function. So if it is taking say 5 here, it is going to give the output as 5 only. It will never give the output as 6. If it takes 5 input, it will give output as 5. It will never give 7 as output. So if it takes as x as input, it is also going to give x as the output. So as you can understand that IA is a function. I am again drawing a figure here. It is such a function that its input and output are same. It is taking x as input, processing it, and after processing, giving away the same output. But f is something else. F may be whatever it is taking, it is processing it and giving away another output. Maybe here I have said that if it is taking 1, it is giving 7. That means maybe f is such a rule that f is such that it is equals to x plus x comma x plus 6, or like that. F is such that it is x comma x plus 6 means the first element, that is the domain, whatever it takes, it is x, and the codomain, which is also being called as fx, it is x plus 6, or it is also called as y. Anyway, IA is a function whose input and output are same, x. Similarly, IB is another function. Let us say IB is another function. It is also a identity function. So its behavior is also same as IA. Whatever it takes input, it gives away the same output. That is, if it is taking say 4, it is giving away 4. If it is taking x, it is also giving away x. Now what we are going to discuss in this particular session is that what will be the resultant of the composition of f with IA and f with IB. Let us try to compose f and IA. Composition of a function with a suitable identity function. Here it is f and ia. So if we consider that, let us say FOIA, what is the value of it? FOIA means what? It means f of IA, means whatever IA is doing its action first, whatever output it is throwing out, that one is being taken as input by f function. So the figure maybe look like this. IA is coming into action first. So the figure may be like this. This is a function. IA is going from here to here. And then, as you have seen, IA is a function from A to A and F is a function from A to B. So from A to B, the F function is in action. So this is the figure of FOIA. Means IA is doing its job first and then the F function is coming into action. So if IA is there, what it is giving? It is taking X as input and giving away X as output. So here I can write f of IA means f of, what is the output of IA? IA means output. This is input. Input is X and output is also called IA of X. That is what we are doing, what we are trying to find out. FOIA of X is equals to f of IA of X. That means IA of X, what it is going to give? It is X. It is coming as X. So it is f of X. So what we are saying, FOIA of X equals to Fx. This is the resultant. Therefore, means Fx means what? Fx means this function. Fx is a function from A to B. And FOIA is a function also from A to B. This is the function. This is FOIA. So FOIA and FA both are same function. So if I compose a identity function IA with F, then it will be same as the F function itself. So we can say FOIA equals to F. Now the thing is that if you try to say that what will be the value of IAOF? IAOF. What is going to be the value of this? I will say that it is not possible. As you know that composition of any two function cannot be done, because IA is a function from IAOF means what? IAOF means what? It means IA of F. Means first of all F will come into action. So what F does is, it is a function from A to B. This is F. And then IA is a function from A to A. So the range of F is not equals to domain of IA, because the range of F is B. Here I am writing it. Range of F is equals to B set, whereas domain of IA equals to A set. As we know, to consider composition of two functions, the range of the first function should be contained in the domain of the second function. That means range of the first function should be at least a subset or something like that, so that something like that of the domain of the second function, so that the second function can take input from the output of the first function. So here it is not possible. So IAOF in this particular case is not possible. Here we can consider only FOIA, and it is equals to F. Now we are going to understand what will be in the case of FOIB. FOIB. This much equals to what? Here again, F is a function from A to B, and IB is a function from B to B. F is a function from A to B, and IB is a function from B to B. So, FOIB means what? FOIB means F of IB. That means IB is going to act first. What IB is doing? IB is taking input from a set A, set B, and giving out the output in set B. Whereas, so the output of IB, that means the range of IB is equals to B. Whereas the domain of F is equals to A. So they are not same. Range of IB is not equals to domain of F. Therefore, FOIB is not possible. The reason is that for composition of two functions, the output of the first function should be such that it can be taken as input of the second function. Here it is not being possible, so FOIB is not possible. But IBOF is possible. If I consider IBOF, it means what? It means IB of F. IB means what? It is a function from B to B. This is IB. And F means what? Sorry, this is reverse. This first of all, F function should occur. What is F function? F function is a function from A to B. So this is F function. This is F function, which is a function from A to B. And then IB function will come into action. There is a second function, and IB function is a function from B to B. So this is IB comfortably taking the input by the IB function from the output of the F function, because F function is throwing the output in the B set, and B set is the domain of the IB function. So it can take away the input from here. So this is the function, but we are calling it as IBOF. So it is possible. As we can see, IBOF is a function from A to B, whereas F function is also a function from A to B. Now what is the meaning of IBOF? IBOF of X is equals to IB of Fx. Now what IB function does, if the output of F function is Fx, means if it takes say, it is taking say 1, it is throwing away say 7. Now what IB function does, it takes 7 as input and it gives 7 as input. So IB of fx means what? It is also of fx. So IB OFX equals to fx. So what we can get? IB OFX equals to fx. That means IB OF equals to f. So what is the gist we are getting? We are getting that composition of a function, let us say it is f, with an identity function is the function itself. For example, if f is a function from a to b, IA is a function from a to a, and IB is a function from b to b, then FOIA equals to f, and also IBOF equals to f. This is the gist of the today's discussion. It is a very important conclusion which will be frequently used in the discussion of function. Thank you.